In just 3 hours, you're going to learn how to design a sleek sci-fi gun concept in Blender. This program is made for artists who are stuck with mediocre design and struggling with concept art. So, if you feel like your 3D model doesn't look impressive and you don't know why, this course will help you to figure that out. Now, listen carefully. This is not a complete beginner course. I'm not going to walk you through Blender from scratch. You need a basic understanding of Blender, along with tools and add-ons like box cutter, hardopes, and machine tool. That is why I'm very clear, this program is not for beginners. It's designed to enhance your modeling skill and creativity. Next, the question. Do we use paid tools in this course? Yes, of course. For modeling, we mainly use box cutter, hardopes, and machine tools. That is exactly why we can complete this entire program in just 3 hours. Next, is this a game asset course? And the short answer, no, it's not a game asset course. It's also not about real-world gun functionality. Instead, it focused on intentional design, strong visual language, and teach you how to think like a concept artist, how to design and make your model visually powerful. Perhaps you're feeling uncertain and question the course at this point. That is why we are there to help you. You can join our Discord server, the link will be in the description. You can ask all your questions or you can just personally DM me. So you can clear all your doubts and questions before you enroll in the course. Sounds fair, right? Yeah, it should. Now let's talk about what you get inside the program. And this is where it's getting insane. First, I'll reveal my personal Blender setup. So you'll get access to my personal workflow and settings. Next, you'll get the full 3D modeling program. And not just modeling, we also cover texturing and final detailing to make your design visually appealing. Now you might think, oh, that sounds good, but what makes this special? Let me tell you. First, you'll get my own add-on, Matrix Material Generator, completely free, along with 1 year of free updates. With this add-on, you'll be able to texture your model like a pro. Next, you'll get access to my decal library. I'm including multiple packages to seriously upgrade your skill. And on top of that, you'll receive all my project file. So you can go through the design step by step and understand everything practically. So instead of selling things separately, I've bundled everything into one single program. If you pre-book the course, you'll receive a special coupon in your email. Based on your ranking, you'll get up to 50% off. All the necessary information will be sent to your email, so make sure to read everything carefully and enroll. I just said yearly, but if you get stuck at any point, we are there to help you. So join our Discord server and ask your question and enroll in the course. 2026 is just a few hours away, and this is the perfect time to upgrade your skill with my sci-fi gun design program. To get access, check the link and also the first comment. Get started right now.